Hey guys, Don here back in a video. Today we'll be playing a game called Monster Truck Destruction. This game's not about monster trucks, but yeah. So we're gonna go for this truck. And if you guys want me to do more videos with Alan Sinclair, just tell me in the comments. Anyways, regardless, I'm actually gonna make a video of him like tomorrow, so yeah. Ooh, okay, 3, 2, 1, go! I said that on purpose. I knew it was gonna. Okay. Drifty. Hit him. Dang it. I'm second place. Go. Frick. Let's go. I lost, but I qualified. That doesn't make sense, but okay. Go. Why is it so laggy? It's super duper laggy. Don't hit me. Okay, thank you. What? Dang it, I'm second place. Damn it. I lost. Never mind, I'm left out. Oh, okay. No. I'm sorry guys of the volume, because this video I had to put off the volume because when I tried the screen record, the stuff was too loud, and yeah. Okay. Alright. What should I do next? Maybe I will do this track again. So yeah, halfway into the video. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, bad timing. Dang it, I have to reset. 3, 2, 1. Wait, come on. Why is it taking forever? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Dang it, I'm second place. Hit him. Hit him hard. Okay, I didn't hit him hard. But still, I'm first place. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Woohoo. I qualified. Next round. Go. Ooh, okay. Maybe we'll hit the bus. Hit the bus. Okay, reset. And then get the corner. Go clean. Man, my spoiler, it came off. Okay. I don't want this ad, so I'm going to turn the volume off. Alright. Okay, alright. Okay. So, yep. Come on. Go! Backflip. Straight for a backflip. Wait, how did I not lose my spoiler? Okay. I'm gonna lose my spoiler. Yep, I knew it. I was gonna lose my spoiler. Why is it so laggy? Guys, it's so laggy. Go. Okay. Crush cars. I'm gonna try to do a skate trick. Ba-bow! Okay, kinda did like a skate trick. 1 minute more. Oh. So one time I was playing this map on freestyle and I hit that jump and I went and hit the ceiling. Oh no! Come on, save it! Come on! Finally! No! Two-wheeling! Alright, now we'll hit that jump. Ooh, that was a really good landing. Okay, hit this again. Hit the bus! Boom! Okay. Oh, can I do like a slap wheelie? No? Okay. I was really hoping I can do it then. Because in this map, there's really nothing to do a slap wheelie on. Come on, save it! Come on. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do like a thumbnail. Screenshot it. Bop. Come on, screenshot. Let's go. Alright, there is the screenshot. Oh my goodness, Tank Stars. Are you kidding me? Tank Stars? Another ripoff. It looks disgusting. Skip that. Let's go. I don't want to hear that anymore. Skip that. Come on. What is things taking forever? Oh my goodness, come on. Jeez Louise, man. Come on. Come on. Let's go, come on. I'm sorry, guys, but I think I'll have to end it here. My game's really glitching, and yeah, I'm really sorry because this video is only like 5 minutes long. I'm really sorry if I wasted time just watching a 5-minute long video. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye. And yeah, hope you have a good day. Go download Monster Truck Destruction on your app store. It's really fun. Go check it out. Okay now, bye.